Breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural journey, but for many new moms, it can also feel confusing and overwhelming. Most mothers face challenges in the beginning, and often these problems happen because of small, common mistakes. The good news is that these mistakes are very normal and completely fixable. One of the most common breastfeeding mistakes new moms make is improper latch. When a baby does not latch correctly, it can cause nipple pain, cracking, and poor milk transfer. A good latch means the baby takes not just the nipple but also a good portion of the areola into their mouth. If feeding feels painful after the first few seconds, it's a sign that the latch may need adjustment. Another common mistake is feeding on a strict schedule. Many new moms believe they should breastfeed only every 2 or 3 hours. However, newborn babies need to be fed on demand. Crying, lip smacking, sucking fingers, or restlessness are early hunger cues. Feeding your baby whenever they show hunger signs helps build a healthy milk supply. Many mothers also worry that their milk supply is not enough and start supplementing with formula too early. In most cases, the body produces exactly the amount of milk the baby needs. Frequent breastfeeding actually increases milk production. Introducing formula without medical advice can reduce breast stimulation and lower milk supply over time. Incorrect positioning is another mistake that can make breastfeeding uncomfortable. Whether you choose the cradle hold, cross cradle hold, or football hold, the baby's head and body should be in a straight line, facing the breast. Poor positioning can lead to back pain for the mother and ineffective feeding for the baby. Some new moms stop breastfeeding too soon because of soreness or engorgement. Mild discomfort in the early days is common, but severe pain is not normal. With the right support, proper latch, and care, these issues usually improve within a few days. Ignoring hydration and nutrition is also a common error. Breastfeeding moms need extra fluids and balanced meals to maintain energy and milk production. Drinking enough water and eating healthy foods makes a noticeable difference. Lastly, many mothers hesitate to ask for help. Lactation consultants, doctors, and experienced moms can provide guidance and reassurance. Breastfeeding is a learning process for both mother and baby, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Remember, every mother's journey is unique. Be patient with yourself, trust your body, and know that with the right information and support, breastfeeding can become a comfortable and rewarding experience.